Dividing single-digit numbers can be pretty easy, but what will you do if you are dealing with two-digit numbers or even more? Let's talk about my division tips today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, like I said in the intro kanina, we're going to talk about division, but it's going to be a little bit more complicated than your usual lesson. One of you actually sent a message to me asking me kung ano yung ginagawa ko when it comes to dividing bigger numbers. And I'll show you yung fundamentals nung ginagawa ko. Kasi mahirap naman talaga kung tutuusin ng division kasi you need to come up with ano ba talaga yung pinakamalaking basically factor ng mga bagay-bagay sa mas mahabang number. Eh paano kung two-digit number yung denominator? Paano kung three-digit number? Ano ang pwede mong gawin para ma-estimate yon? I'm going to explain exactly how I do things, and I'm going to do that later on. So, may quick quiz din dito, so don't forget to watch until the end of the video. Alright? Now, just a quick little shout out sa gumawa ng shirt na ito. This shirt is from It's So Good. You can follow him sa Instagram and sa Facebook niya. The links will be in the description box din sa baba. No, hindi siya sponsor ng video na ito. I just really appreciate the workmanship nitong shirt na ito. It's actually yung kanyang monthly na parang shirt design, and this month it's all about the Jordan. And I'm a big Jordan fan, kaya nung I saw this shirt, sabi ko, I really had to have it. But there's a bigger design at the back, but hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo. So, thank you so much kay It's So Good. I was able to talk to him then a couple of times, and I appreciate the workmanship and the humor and everything that he puts into his work. So, kung gusto niyo medyo matawa ng konti, and lalo na if you're into sneakers din and stuff like that, you can check out his channel sa baba. Okay? And yaman din lamang usapan na rin doon if you want more about like my life and the sneakers that I love and all of these mga personal na mga vlogs. You can check out my personal channel. It's the link is also here and here. Doon ko na nilagay yung lahat ng hindi related sa mga lessons. Alright? Now, in order for me to explain this better, I'm going to switch over to my PC na. I'll see you in a bit. So, ito yung ating lecture on dividing numbers. And this is still under yung ating fundamentals na playlist, pinaka basic. Pero even if you know yung rules on how to divide numbers, I'm hoping makapulot kayo na aral dito. Because this is honestly how I do things fast. I actually am responding to a bunch of you who sent messages or nag-comment sa aking mga videos asking kung meron ba akong techniques on dividing. Kasi nakakita daw sila ng videos ko on addition, yung chunking, yung subtracting ko. Meron akong speed techniques na naibahagi sa inyo. Multiplying, meron din. Pero yung dividing daw, medyo dun sila nahihirapan. Now, I'm going to make this as detailed as possible when it comes to showing you how I do it. It's kind of going to be a demonstration then, and hope ko is makapulot kayo ng onting tricks dito sa gagawin ko. Okay? Now, let's start with the basics. We have a simple na division dito. Okay? Now, kung ito pa lang medyo hesitant na tayo, you can start with smaller numbers. But all I wanted to see is yung ating grasp on yung method. Yung ano yung mga steps na gagawin. Now, when you're dividing numbers, all you have to understand muna is that the bigger number, itong 1152, yung nasa ilalim ng payong natin na yan, yun yung dinidivide nating number. And dinidivide natin siya by 6. So, in sentence form, ang gusto mong malaman is how many sixes there are in 1152. Ilang buong 6 ang 1152. Okay? Now, and then we go left to right. So, we start with the 1. At yung 1 ay hindi naman pwedeng 1 divided by 6, bitin siya. So, kung kulang siya, i-extend natin siya to 11. So, mangyayari dyan, 11 divided by 6. Now, kasya sa 11 ang isang 6. So, ang magiging answer natin, we'll start with 1. Tapos, we do 1 times 6. 1 times 6 is 6. We write it down sa ilalim. Tapos, isusubtract natin siya dun sa 11. So, 11 minus 6 is 5. At ibababa natin yung next number, which is 5. Okay? So, 55 na siya. Now, from 55, we're going to divide it by 6. Kung magaling ka at memorize sa multiplication table, this is going to be easier for you.
Kung hindi naman, ano ang gagawin ko? Dito na yun papasok and I will explain that a little bit later. Now, ito yung 55. How I do it is, kasi malapit na siya sa 60. So, 60 minus 6 na lang is 54. So, kasha ang 9. Kasi 10 minus 1. So, 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Again, ipapawas ko siya sa 55. Mag-iwan ay 1. Bababa ko ngayon yung 2. Dito, magiging 12 siya. 12 divided by 6, madali na yan. That is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So, minus yan. Wala nang remainder. This is now our final answer. The answer is 192. Okay? Now, yun yung process muna that I need you to understand. Kung hindi nyo pa gamay itong left to right movement na nagbababa tayo ng digit, ibang issue na yon, no? So, I will need you to take this one step at a time. I also have a video on long division when it comes to decimals. Kung hindi nyo pa yung napapanood, ililink ko na lang din sa taas para mapanood nyo yon. Paano kung may karugtong na decimal or may remainder, anong gagawin? Okay? Hindi yun ang i-discuss natin ngayon. Ang i-discuss natin ngayon, paano kung malalaki yung numbers. Now, i-breakdown muna natin siya. Ano yung skills na kailangan in order for you to divide numbers? Now, when it comes to dividing single-digit divisors, using the single-digit divisors, parang yung kanina, 6 lang siya, isang digit lang siya, ang kailangan mo lang na skill is to know yung process na pagdi-divide and yung pagsusubtract, basically. Kasi, di-divide mo lang part by part, isusubtract mo, magbababa ka. Ito lang yung checklist mo when it comes to your skills. Now, it becomes a little bit trickier and this is the reason why I'm making this video kasi marami sa inyo nagre-request, paano kung higit sa isang digit yung number na ginagamit mo as divisor? Paano kung ganito siya? 1,152 divided by 16. Hindi na 6, 16 na siya. Dalawang digit na ito. Ano ang ginagawa ko to make it faster? Now, honestly, one of the reasons kung bakit mabagal ang ibang tao dito, and honestly, hindi naman din ako sobrang bilis, no? Kasi ang number one na skill talaga na madaling makakatulong sa inyo is if you memorize the multiplication table. Pero ang susi sa akin comes with, kasi I can multiply things by thresholds pretty easy, and I'm fast when it comes to addition. Ano ibig sabihin ko doon? Same process. Ang 16, hindi kasya sa 11. So, i-extend natin siya sa 115. Dito na pumapasok yung problema. Kasi pag ginawa mong 115, basically divided by 16, yung iba hindi na alam kung saan magsisimula. Now, anong ginagawa ko? Ang ginagawa ko is this. I always have my threshold numbers. Ang threshold numbers ko, usually, kasi alam ko at kayang-kaya ko siyang gawin, yung times 5. And I have a technique about this, is-share ko sa inyo mamaya. Pero I'm just going to solve it first the way I do it, okay? So, times 5. 16 times 5 is 80. Alam ko yan right away. Tapos, yung 80, maluwang pa eh. Marami pang kasya kasi ang distance ng 80 sa 115, basically 115 divided by, minus 80 is still 35. So, yung 35 na yan, kasya pa ang dalawang 16. Okay? At yun ay magiging 32. Okay? Kasya pa yun para dito sa 115. So, kung dalawa yun, yung 32, ibig sabihin we have 5 and 2, that is going to give me 7. 7 times 16 ngayon ang gusto kong ma-achieve. And ano yon? I-add ko lang ito. 80 and 32, that is 112. So, 112 ito, ma-minus ko siya dyan. This will give me 3, 2, and that would give me 2. So, the answer would be, 72. Okay? Now, ano yung susi doon? Again, it's all about multiplying by 5, checking kung pasok doon, and applying yung ating other techniques when it comes to adding fast. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag higit sa isang digit na yung dinidivide mo, para maging mas mabilis ka dito, you have to add skills. Yung iba kasi, honestly, ang ginagawa, and i-like nyo na lang tindong video or comment kayo sa baba kung makaka-relate kayo. Yung iba ang ginagawa, minumultiply nila mano-mano ganito. 16 times 6. So, multiply na 36. 6, tapos 6, so 12, 126, ay kulang pa. 16 times 7. Tina-trial and error nila. Okay? Now, lalo na sa exams na hindi pwede mag-calculator, kagaya ng civil service, mauubusan kayo ng oras dito, no? Kasi isa-isa nyo, 42, 140. Oh, malapit na. 115. Okay, okay na. 100. Yan. Yung ganon. So, iisa-isahin mo pa siya. And pag hindi ka masyadong mabilis sa multiplication, babagal ka ng babagal, magkakaroon ka ng problema in the long run. So, what do I propose that you do? I propose that you develop yung basic skills natin, which is this. Of course, check na tayo sa dividing. Marunong na kayo mag-long division. Marunong kayo mag-subtract. Now, ang next na trick would be estimation. Parang yung ginawa ko kanina. Okay? Which is, ano ang sobra sa 80 at 115? 30, 35. Ay, kasya pa siguro ng dalawa. Okay? At dahil meron akong estimation, marunong ako mag-estimate, mas madali ko matatansya kung ano yung susubukan kong maging sagot. And another thing is yung multiplying by 5. Ang multiplying by 5, dadaanan ko rin in a bit. This is a technique that I developed way back when I was in grade 3 yata. Oo, mga grade 3. Ano ba, we were multiplying numbers as a class and then napansin ko, wait lang, yung times 5 may mas madaling paraan kaysa i-multiply ko siya by 5. And that is what I've been using ever since pagdating sa long division. Okay? Now, daanan natin really quickly ano yung multiplying by 5. And if you want a full lesson on this, you can click right here sa taas. I actually filmed that sa YouTube pop-up space 2 years ago with a couple of other YouTubers like Raf, si May Layog, si Carl was there. And if you want to watch that, you can click na lang sa taas. Okay? Now, multiplying by 5 lang tayo really quickly. Ang speed technique ko goes like this. Step 1, you have to divide the number by 2. And then step 2, you multiply it by 10. So instead of multiplying it by 5, you're going to divide it by 2 and multiply it by 10. When does it come in handy? Kapag nakapag-practice kayo well, I will show you how I do it, okay? So 18 times 5, yung iba kasi, i-rewrite pa yan, i-multiply from right to left. Ang ginagawa ko lang dyan, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Times 10, lalagyan ko lang siya ng 0. So, tapos na ako dyan. 35 times 5, okay? I'm just going to divide it by 2. Kung di-divide ko siya sa 2, meron akong 1, di ba? Tapos this will be 2. So, meron akong, and this is just me writing yung thought process, no? Meron akong remainder na isa. So, this will be 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7. Tapos, ibig sabihin na meron akong 0.5. Now, yung 0.5 na yon, dahil ito ay odd number, kung mapapansin nyo, ito kasi ay even. Pag even, magdadagdag ka lang ng 0. Pag odd, magdadagdag ka ng 5. So, 175. That's the answer. Hindi ko na kailangan i-rewrite kasi yung iba, kung gagawin nyo yan na long cut, magre-rewrite ka pa, gagawin mo pa siyang 35 times 5, 25, ganyan. But again, kung doon ka mabilis, go and do that. This is just how I do it, okay? And that's what you asked for. So that's what we're doing. 236 times 5. Again, di-divide ko lang siya sa 2. You have 1. Wala na yan. 1. Magiging, 1, kasi may remainder siya. 16. That would be 8. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng 0, kasi even naman siya. 1,180, and then I'm done. Ito, 4-digit number na odd pa. Madali lang din. Again, you go from left to right. 9 divided by 2 is going to give me 4. May tirang isa. 13 na siya. So, that would be 6. May tirang isa uli. Magiging 18 siya. That would be 9. At dahil siya ay 1, okay, itong ang mangyayari dyan would be 0. And then, I will put another 5. Okay? Kasi hindi siya kasya. Alright? So, again, all of these things will come in handy as you practice. Kasi pag nag-estimate ka na ng numbers, doon ka na kailangan maging seryoso. Okay? Doon sa pag-multiply by 5. Kasi now I know, kapag alam ko na agad yung 5, matatansya ko na at least kung siya ay over or mas mababa sa 5. Now, let's put it into practice. Okay? Let's take this. Now, ito, 3-digit number na siya. Tapos 6-digit number naman yung kanyang dividend. Anong gagawin natin? Hindi kasya yung 242 sa 127. Kailangan ko extend hanggang 1,272. Now, just by looking at it and again estimating, 242 kasi times 5, that would give me 1210. Kasya siya sa 1272. Hindi na kasya yung isa pang 242 dyan. So, ibig sabihin yung first digit ko is 5. I will put 1210 here. Minus ko lang siya. This will give me 629. Okay? Now, kasya ang dalawa. Alright? And this is how you estimate. Okay? Which is what I'm going to show you next. Kung mag-estimate kayo, at nagtatansya lang kayo muna, nung ano yung kakasya doon, ilang 242 ang kakasya sa isang number, pwede nyo i-drop muna yung last digit. So, wag nyo muna siya isipin na 242. I-drop nyo muna siya sa 240. Kasi mas madaling isipin yung 240 kaysa sa 242. Idadagdag nyo na lang after the fact. Ano ibig sabihin ko doon? Kasi yung 629, kasya ang dalawang 240. Alanganin na sa tatlo. Kasi 720 na agad yon. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa lang ang kakasya. Hindi ko kailangang isipin muna agad. My answer would be 2. And then, dito ko na lang siya i-multiply in full. Okay? So, that would be 2 times 242. That would be 484. Ibabawas ko siya. This will be 5. Okay? And then this will be 4. Babaro ko dyan. That will be 5. This will be 1. So, 145 ang ating tira. Okay? Ibababa natin yung susunod na number which is 2. 1, 4, 5, 2. Now again, dahil alam natin threshold number natin, times 5 is 1210. Parang i-compare ko na lang siya. Kasya pa ba ang isang 242 dito? Okay, and kahit nagme-mental math ka, makikita mo, this is 1452. So, ibig sabihin nun, kung kasya ang 5, plus isa pa, that would be times 6. So, the answer is 526. At yun na yun, 1452 na siya. Wala ka ng, minus yan, wala ka ng remainder. Alright? So, again, ano yung skills na in-employ ko? Estimation, times 5 para mas mabilis, and then yung mga basic lang natin na multiplication, subtraction at iba pa. Okay? So, ito yung aking pinakamaya advice sa inyo when it comes to division. Again, break it down into steps. Be equipped with yung skills. Kasi honestly, the reason why hirap ang mga tao mag-divide is kasi in the first place, hirap sila mag-multiply. So, kung maaalis niyo yung multiplication sa kinakastresan ninyo, mas madali na mag-flow yung division. Okay? Now it's your turn. I'm going to give you one problem. I'm going to give you some time to answer it. And hopefully, at the end, pare-pareho tayo na magiging sagot. We'll solve it together, okay? If you're ready, your timer starts now. Alright, let's see how you did. So, ito yung ating number. Diliitan ko lang siya kasi papakita natin yung ating solution. So, we have 173,482 divided by 683. Okay? So, solve lang natin siya. So, 173, bitin pa rin, 1734. Yan ang una nating iisipin. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa 683 times 5. Ito yung ating threshold number. Again, i-divide ko lang siya sa 2. This will be 3, 4, 1, and then 5. So, 3, 4, 1, 5 yung times 5 niya. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung ito pa lang, again, estimation pa lang, alam mo na, parang kulang-kulang yan, hindi aabot ng 5 yung sagot. Okay, now, again, estimation, you can think muna agad sa 700. Kung ayaw mong isipin 683, isipin mo kunyari 700 siya, no? Ni-round up lang natin siya. And when you estimate, always try to round up. Mas safe yon kaysa mag-round down ka. 700, sa 1,734, ang kakasya lang dyan, 2. Okay? Hindi na kasya yung 3 kasi 2,100 na agad yon. So, you have 2 right here. Babawas ko ngayon siya, dito ko na ngayon siya i-multiply. So, ginagawa ko lang, pag namumultiply ako, I go left to right. So, you have 600 times 2, 1,200. Tapos, 80 times 2, that is going to give you 160. So, yung 1,200 ko, magiging 1,360. And then, meron akong 6 kasi 3 times 2. So, 1,360. So, sulat ko lang siya. 1366. Okay? And then, next ko, i-minus ko na siya. So, this will be 8. This will be, okay, magbaborrow tayo dyan. So, ito naman, baborrow tayo dyan ulit. So, magiging 12 yan. 6, 3, and then wala na. So, 368. Ibababa natin yung next number, which is 8. Now, looking at it, di ba, ang 5 natin ay kalahati ito. Hindi na-aabot yan kasi malapit na masyado yung 3, 4 sa 3, 6. So, ibig sabihin, this will just be 5. 3, 4, 1, 5. Babawas natin siya. 3, 7. This is 2, 273. Ibababa natin yung next number, which is 2. Okay? Now, ito, after this, 2732, ibabawas natin, i-divide natin siya doon sa 683. Now, again, papasok tayo sa estimation tsaka sa pagtatansya ng mga numbers. If you notice, ito na yung kailangan nating hanapin kung ilang 683 yan. Pero dito, nakikita nyo yung sa times 2, right? Ito yung times 2 yung 1366. At makikita mo, yung relationship ng 1366 at saka 2732, basically, parang tinimes 2 ko yung 1366. Para siyang 1366 times 2. Okay? Napapansin na natin yan sa number relationships, lalo na kung mahilig kayo sa math, if you like playing with numbers. So, anong binibigay sa akin clue niyan? Ang binibigay sa akin clue niyan is, kung ang 1366 ay dalawa, at dalawang-dalawa itong 2732, ibig sabihin, ang next na number would be 4. Kasi 4 times 683 ang kalalabasan. Now, i-check natin using long cut para lang ma-demonstrate ko sa inyo, it's going to be the same. 683 times 4, this is 12, 8, 16, 24, 32, so 33, 6, 12, 18, 24, plus 3 is 27. So, pareho siya, kung nakikita ninyo. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang tamang sagot natin is 254. Now, again, saan tayo nakabawas? Nakabawas tayo ng oras sa estimation, sa pag-google ng time, sa pagkuha ng threshold number, and sa paghahanap ng mga number relationships. Okay? So, doon na papapasok yung kailangan ng practice, kailangan ng familiarity. So, if you're watching this on YouTube or if you're watching this on Facebook, there should be an exercise paired with this. I'm going to put up worksheets. Kung kayo ay nanonood sa YouTube, you can find it in the description box as soon as available na siya. And kung wala pa naman siya sa description box, ibig sabihin, I will be releasing that in a couple of days. Watch out for that sa aking Facebook page, okay? And if you want more practice, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow me at Lyqa Maravilla. Dun sa ating quick quiz function, nagpo-post ako ng mga questions sa Instagram story. Para if you follow me, you can participate sa mga questions na yun. It's a great way for you to know kung natututo kayo, and a great way then for me to know kung anong mga lessons na kailangan kong i-prioritize. Hopefully, pag nakita ko yung pangalan nyo, tama kayo doon. Alright?
Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends na mag-exam din sila. That way, marami tayong matutulungan. And as always, if you want to reach out to me directly, get reviewers that I made, or join the online or live review events, you can go and check out my Facebook page is www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa for more information. Alright, guys, subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell icon para hindi nyo mamiss yung mga paparating pa lang ng mga lessons. And as we always say dito sa channel na ito, never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video and bye for now.